heavens, no. When life annoys, top up your joy. I should just take my joy, shouldn't I? Percy! Percy!
What have you been up to? No one's seen you for hours.
Nose to the grindstone, you know.
Then why haven't I heard a single whoosh through the door since 10 o'clock? Did you forget we're having Deirdre's birthday party?
Oh.
We've got a piñata.
Right. Brilliant. Of course.
Have you forgotten your joy?
Of course not. Snug as a bug on a drug.
Well, come on then, finish up.
Just have a few more pages. I know you're very busy.
Then don't take too long to finish.
Aha! The power cell's empty.
Well, what will you do?
I'll get a new one.
Do you know I used real butter in Deirdre's cake? And that was the last of it.
There is now a curfew in effect at night. Any civilian...
We're brothers. I'll always look after you, you know that.
Good Christ, Arthur. You think we've never done this before in your life?
How does she know?
Well, I expect you in the conference room presently. Don't dawdle. You don't want to miss the piñata.
Wasn't Prudence supposed to be coming back today? I made her a welcome back card. Do you think the canister wonders what life's like outside the tube? Of course, he'd have to break the tube to get out. Well, that would break it for everybody. That little shit. He wants my view. Whatever happened to you, Prudence?
did take them. No, leave me alone. I took my joy. I took my joy. No, leave me alone. No. Oh, hi, Arthur.
You find your muscles are sore even when you haven't been overusing them. Well, you may have scurvy. And congratulations, this is one of our traditional English enemies. Like all traditional English enemies, we've beat it before, yes, and we'll beat it again. Have you heard, England has traditionally ruled the seas. Rule Britannia, Britannia rules the waves. Britons never, never, never shall be slaves. And that means that our ships have traditionally been out at sea for long stretches
Odd.
of time.
I never noticed that.
Nothing but ship's biscuits, salt pork.
We should fix that, or empty the bucket at least.
I could do with some salt pork right now. But if you eat nothing but, you're going to get sick.
There you are. You nearly missed the piñata. It's the most adorable Spanish custom. Uncle Jack did a whole show about it. You smash it until all the candy comes out. Come on, hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Give it a whack!
You are off your joy. Take one of mine. Oh, my lord. He's a downer. Call security. We've got a downer.
Probably a bad time to ask for that raise. Good Christ. I can't believe I'm still alive. More or less.
So don't miss it, or you're
Ow.
rotten egg.
Feels like I lost an argument with a
But
train.
seriously, unless you have
I can't cut
an awful
back.
good reason, such as
I've got to get
two
out of
broken
here.
legs, you'll be a sport at 3 o'clock, won't you? We love your company. And now, the hot new song from our favorite band. See you soon.
This is jammed. I'll need something to pry it open. I seem to have done a lovely job of breaking this door. I suppose I won't be getting out that way.
work for you.
So are they all honourable men?
Mum, Dad,
Are we mad?
I've
Or is
come
it the
home.
world?
Roast beef,
Well, don't
beef
you worry,
Wellington,
dearie.
Wellington
Everything-
pie, shepherd's pie, apple pie.
Remember bread? I remember bread.
The centre cannot hold. Mere anarchy is loosed upon the world.
Mum, Dad, I've come home. Well, don't you worry, dearie. Everything will be all right from now on. You sit down and have a cup of tea. I'll just go and make up.
Ah. Bananas. Yes, bananas and porcupines. Very pointy porcupines? Are we mad? Or is it the world?
Rotten apple! Ow!
Bandit!
Please don't hurt.
Supper's over!
Look, I don't even want to be here.
Oh God, please stop it.
Toys and tiny beds. Tiny beds in every house.
Remember bread?
Mind the
I
side
remember
effects.
bread.
Oh, but there's a big
I
one.
remember too much now. The meat hot, the meat cold.
V meat hot, the V meat gold. Please help me. You're not the bloody help, are you? So get. Please, don't hurt me.
So, we meet again.
We're not a bloody bed and breakfast, are we? So get out!
Just resting my feet.
Where does the fog come from?
Ah, but that was in another country.
I'm calling the authorities!
Just resting my feet.
Sleep. The poor man's dinner.